In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer files from iPad to laptop or PC. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, the method to do this is exactly the same as what you would do for an iPhone, for example. So the first thing we want to do is go over to the Microsoft Store and then go to the very top and then type in Apple devices, and you're going to see this application come up right here. This is going to be the latest version to connect your Apple devices to your PC or laptop, and it's completely free and obviously from Apple. So just go ahead and open this up once you've downloaded it. It's going to say connect an Apple device to get started. So what I want to go ahead and do is go over to my iPad, make sure it is unlocked, and then go ahead and connect my iPad via a USB-C cable to the PC. As you can see, the iPad is now connected. I can do a bunch of stuff with it and even update it if I want to, or I can, transfer files over from my iPad to PC or PC to my laptop to my iPad as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.